What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where it was back in December where we talked about 7 Design's MC20 Aria, which was designed to invoke breathtaking emotion to relay the same feelings that we felt as children in the presence of supercars. The 1 of 25 aero unit kit was essentially making the MC20 into a more hardcore MC12 design. Well, 7 Design House has updated their website with some pretty visuals of this MC20 kit, and I had to show it off to you guys because of the fact that there's only going to be 25 ever made, and the kit looks stunning. Now again, it comes from a company in New York called 7 Designs, and since the MC20 hasn't officially hit dealerships yet or customers in any case, it may be tricky to tell the differences between a normal MC20 if you haven't seen it yet compared to the Aria design kit. But with a closer look, you'll notice that you cannot miss the larger front splitter and the winglets on the front fascia, the side skirts that give the MC20 a lower stance, and the quarter panels that gain a modest scoop. Speaking of which, there's a small scoop on the roof and not so small wing on the back that sits atop of the new rear fascia that has an aggressive diffuser and relocated exhaust finishers that appear to occupy the spot where the license plate would go. Now the MC20 has already been sweeping design awards, but with the carbon overhaul that 7 Designs has created, this kit adds some aggression to match that 621 horsepower, 463 kilowatt twin turbo 3-liter V6, and according to Maserati, the MC20 is going to look good going 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and north of 202 miles per hour. Now you'll have to reach out to 7 Designs for the cost, but we know that there's only 25 kits being made for the MC20. So to make your Maserati MC20 even rarer, even more raw, even more hardcore, well, you get 25 shots at it. And needless to say, if I had an MC20 in my hands, I would probably take it. But with that said, I just wanted to show off this updated MC20. Again, I'm not sponsored by 7 Designs, but this is a cool looking kit, and I just want to see it on somebody's MC20 and see it in person. So the more chances I get someone to buy the kit, maybe the more chances I get to see it. But with that said, what do you guys think about this carbon fiber overhaul? Front splitters, side skirts, wing, rear diffuser, hood scoop. I mean, everything that this car embodies. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion of this 1 of 25 Maserati MC20 Aria. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also help support by checking out the Ron's Rides merch, where you can get t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides. Now, I'm also on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram. See everything I'm posting, Maserati, Ferrari, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.